Hi everybody, here is Meroz Khan Blogger, and today in this video tutorial we are going to see low competition WordPress keyword for Fiverr gigs. So here are few keywords that have low competition and that can make your chances of getting hired at fiverr.com. So you can create gigs on these related keywords and absolutely you will get ranked at top pages of Fiverr. So the first keyword that is WordPress setup, and you can see that it has 2684 services, and here you can see that all of the sellers have some sort of orders on this keyword. So you can also create gig on this keyword, and here you can see that different sellers have different rates, like this one. I will set up WordPress website on Bluehost, Namecheap, GoDaddy. It only set up WordPress website and it costs $40. I will set up and maintain WordPress website for you for $90. So on this keyword, you can explore different kind of gigs and see what they are offer. So by critically analyzing these gigs, you can create one for your own. Another keyword that has low competition keyword is WordPress to Wix. So in this category, the number of services available are 2481, and in this kind of keyword you can offer services like I will design your real estate website in WordPress and Wix. I will fix your HTML, CS, JS, PHP, Spotify, WordPress and Wix issues. So you can create WordPress or Wix site, or you can provide services like I will convert your Wix site to WordPress or something related to this. The third keyword that is WordPress blog. Here is WordPress blog. At this keyword there are 3905 services available only, and you can see that it will create responsive WordPress website or blog in $100. This one I will do responsive professional website design or blog. So this is also a low competition keyword. Another one is WordPress clean and modern website, and here number of services are 4828, and in this particular category you can create WordPress clean and modern website, responsive website, and something else. You can offer anything. Also WordPress plugin has low competition. So if you are a developer and you have good grip on PHP, CSS, JavaScript, etc., you can offer this service, and in this case number of services available are 2657. So this is the way to find low competition keyword at Fiverr. If you want to find more, you can simply write here WordPress and start from A to Z. Like when you will write A here, you will see all keyword related to WordPress started with A. And I think my network is slow, that's why it's not showing for the time being. But like here, when I wrote B, WordPress blog website, WordPress backup, WordPress blog design. Similarly, you can search for C, and here you can see a lot of more. Here is another keyword, convert Figma to WordPress. So this is also have low competition keyword. This is one way of finding low competition keyword. Another one is simply search for WordPress, open any category, and here you will see that suggested keyword. Check each keyword individually and you can also find that. Third way to find this is simply put underscore and search for WordPress. It will show you a lot of suggested keywords. So here are few. You can find more and create gigs on these niches, and absolutely your gigs will be ranked. Thank you.